going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new episode. And today I'm going to be making some mini greenhouses, and how we're doing this is with a Coke bottle. You can see I'm just peeling off the wrapper, and we've got a little cut already in there, and so I'm going to cut that in a minute, or put that to one side. So off camera we cut a few more. Obviously that's what the Coke bottle would look like, and we've cut it in half, and these will be two mini greenhouses. And in a greenhouse you'd have like maybe a little window, and as our window for Coke bottles, it is ideal to use the lid. So for ventilation in the summer we take the lid off. We might do that to the bottoms, and we'll probably just stab a big hole. But with my scissors, back to the Coke bottle. Once I can find my hole, so it's here. So we already started this. So I'm just cutting around this line here. So it's the middle of the Coke bottle, like so. So we're up to 7 subscribers now, so we're getting there slowly. So slowly but surely, I think we'll get quite a few more subscribers, hopefully. So we've cut the Coke bottle, so we'll put that to one side. And I've got another video coming out, and this would explain why I've done this. It's not just because I'm doing it for the fun of it, and I think it's a good video. It is actually because we're going to make it our vegetable tier of our garden a square foot, like squadrons, if you like, on our no dig beds and our raised beds, which will turn into no dig beds once we get everything in. But I'll go more into that, and it will make a bit more sense why I'm doing this, and it will just tie it up. So it's a bit of a coincidence really, but I will explain more of that in that video. So we're down at our patio area with the Coke bottles we cut out just a minute ago, and we have selected 2 guinea pig veg, if you would like. And basically the principle is we will put these into the ground. I'll demonstrate it to you with this one, and literally we will put it, once we've got it in the ground, we will put it over the top like so. And in the summer, when it gets really, really hot, I unscrew the lid, and you have ventilation. So, and also with the bottoms, we'll probably stab a hole. I'm not too sure how we'll cover it and uncover it. That will be maybe a little bit of a DIY job, potentially. But so these are our 2 guinea pigs, so let's get them in the ground. So we've got one hole dug, so I'm just going to dig the other hole, just so not to bore you guys when it comes to planting them, so I can plant them both without having to dig the hole for this one. So then probably be deep enough for the broccoli. So I've got the broccoli and the cauliflower here, so I'm just going to lift it out of the pot, and that came out quite easily because the roots aren't very established. So let me see, that will probably be deep enough. So I'm just going to spread around like so, and so with my lids, I'm going to put I'm gonna put it on like so. And now this is where the compost comes in. I'm going to just sprinkle around. I'm just going to sprinkle around a layer, or I could probably just do it with the soil around it and compact it. So in the wind, I might just put light dusting around like so. And this will just to make sure that the mini greenhouse won't blow away in the wind. So we've got the other one here. We've got the whole ready dog. I did that just a minute ago. So I'm just going to bring this one out like so. You can see the roots are a bit more established on this one. So before it all breaks apart, enough of me waffling, otherwise it's going to break apart. We better get it in. So the hole wasn't quite deep enough, but because it started to all break apart out of its pot, well, I'm just going to raise it. So it's just a bit. All these are 2 experiments just for the video, for the purposes of videoing. So it's a bit of a guinea pig job. So that should be good enough on that side. I'll put a bit more on this side. So you can see it's flopping a little bit. That will re-erect once I put it in the mini greenhouse. So I'm putting a bit on that side. That should be good. So we've got that one in, and so we're going to water off camera. I just want to get the principle of what we're doing done, because you don't really need to see the water, and you guys know that you have to water, and so it's quite pointless. It's showing you guys what you already know. So we've got them both in, but that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to slam that notification bell and make sure you click all when you do that. This notifies you of every single video that I do. So I hope you enjoyed today Grow Your Imagination upload, and pick 2 videos in a second that will be popping up. I really wish that you do, and don't forget to like them as well. But bye guys.